Okay, this is on right triangle congruence, okay? So all of these deal with right triangles. And we're basically going to do 3 theorems in one postulate. I'm not going to make you write it out all in words. We're going to do it by picture, okay? So the first one is theorem 4.6. Okay, draw a right triangle. Okay, then as best you can, draw the same right triangle. You want a congruent one. Okay. Okay, if those are both right angles, and let's say this side is congruent to this side, and this side is congruent to this side. Normally, we would call that side, angle, side. But since it's a right triangle, okay, they call it leg, leg. Okay, leg, leg congruence. And you can just abbreviate it, leg, leg congruence. So if you get 2 right triangles and prove that both the legs are congruent, then the whole triangles are congruent. Okay, that's the first theorem. Theorem 4.7. Same thing, draw 2 right triangles. Label those right angles. So now when you see right triangles, label this angle congruent to this angle. And again, on your iPad, some of those marks are really small, so you may have to enlarge them on your iPad. And remember the side opposite the right angle. Okay, when you're looking at this, the side opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse. Spell it correctly. This is hypotenuse angle congruence. And we're going to call it hypotenuse angle. Okay, just abbreviate it. Okay. So if it's a right triangle, now you've got 2 ways to prove them congruent. If both the legs are congruent, leg, leg, or hypotenuse angle. Okay, the third one is theorem 4.8. Same thing, draw 2 more triangles. Right angles, right triangles. Label those right angles. Okay, and on this one, say you have this angle is congruent to this angle. Okay, and this leg is congruent to this leg. So instead of hypotenuse angle, what is it? Leg angle, yep. Okay, so this would be leg angle. And they're just going to abbreviate it, leg angle. Okay, and the last one is a postulate. Postulate 4.4. Same thing, draw 2 right triangles. Okay. This leg is congruent to this leg. And this hypotenuse is congruent to this hypotenuse. Okay, so this one is hypotenuse leg. Okay, that one is hypotenuse. Okay, so now when you're doing problems and doing proofs, okay, you have 4 that deal with right triangles. Okay, if you can get the 2 legs congruent, if you can get the hypotenuse in an angle, the leg in an angle, or the hypotenuse in a leg. Okay? Okay, that's it. Finish up those proofs. Okay?